Welcome, today I'm showing how to customize your quick launch into XIAOMI Redmi 10C. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into additional settings option. Here I choose against the shortcuts option, and now here I've got 4 options in my quick launch. So first option it's launch Google Assistant, press and hold the power button for half second, so you can activate, start using, or disable. This position like blue, it's activate this option, and this like gray, it's turn off this option. Go back, take a screenshot. Here we got slide 3 fingers down or volume down plus power key combination. Launch camera, here we got the option 2, double press to power key and double press volume down when the screen is locked. And last one, turn on touch. And for example, in the camera option, I'm activate double press the power key, and here we got the same option. So let's try activate this option here, and we got message double press the power button is used to launch camera, replace or not. So if we tap replace, we activate this option, turn on touch. If cancel, activate launch camera option. So I'm press the replace, and now when we press to our double press to our power key, turn on touch is worked. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.